Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to use the Chronograph / Stopwatch feature on your Timex Ironman Classic heart rate watch. This is pretty simple. As with most things on this watch, you're usually going to start by pressing the mode button. You've got various different modes. You can see right now I'm in what's called the timekeeping mode. It's got my day of the week, month, date, current time. If I press the mode button once, it'll take me to the workout mode. Press it again, it'll take me to the chronograph mode, and that's going to be what we're looking at in today's video. It's really very simple. Basically press the start and stop button when you're ready to start your stopwatch. We'll take off running. When you want to pause it, you'll press the start and stop button. You'll basically keep it in a pause status until you either press the start button to resume it, or while it's stopped, if you press and hold the bottom right button, your lap reset button, holding while it's stopped will be your reset. So now let's talk about the lap feature. While the chronograph is running, if you wanted to take a lap or record a lap, you would simply, instead of press and holding, you would just press the lap button. It'll tell you lap number 1, gives you your time. After 5 seconds, it will kick you back out to your main chronograph screen. Press the lap button again. It'll record your second lap. You have 10 different laps that you can record on this watch. You don't have to stay in the chronograph mode. If I press the mode button, I can go to any other mode. You'll notice I'm back at my timekeeping mode. If we go back to chronograph, it's still running in the background. I'm going to take one more lap. And I'm going to go ahead and stop the chronograph. So now you might be wondering, well, how do I review my laps? While it's stopped, even if you reset it, let's go ahead and let's reset our chronograph. If we press the mode button one more time, it'll take us to a data mode. And the data mode shows you the values of your most recent chronograph run. So you can see my most recent one was lap number 1 was 7.53 seconds, lap number 2 was 10.55, lap number 3 was 19.28, and then it goes back to lap number 1. If we go do chronograph again, it will reset this history and it'll record it with the latest chronograph that we have. There's really no way to reset this. Your data mode will always show your most recent chronograph run. Go ahead and press the mode button. Once we're totally done, you'll press the mode button, go to your time, and that's how you use the chronograph feature on your Timex Ironman heart rate monitoring watch. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.